Harnessing the power of ginger and turmeric shots, a natural defense against flu and inflammation. As the flu season intensifies across the Northern Hemisphere, many individuals are seeking natural remedies to bolster their immunity and ward off illness. Among the most potent options available are ginger and turmeric shots, which not only enhance immune function, but also provide a myriad of additional health benefits. These vibrant roots, cherished in traditional medicine for their therapeutic properties, are emerging as vital components of a health-conscious diet, particularly during the challenging winter months. Ginger and turmeric are renowned for their rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities, making them an effective duo in combating both common colds and chronic ailments. Ayurvedic traditions refer to turmeric as Jivarantika, meaning destroyer of fever, highlighting its historical use in treating various illnesses. When combined, ginger and turmeric offer a powerful home remedy that can alleviate discomfort and reduce the likelihood of severe illness. The antibacterial properties inherent in both roots empower them to tackle infections and soothe joint pain, making them essential allies for those suffering from seasonal ailments. One of the standout benefits of incorporating ginger and turmeric shots into your daily routine is their ability to clarify and rejuvenate the skin. Both roots are packed with protective compounds that contribute to overall skin health. The antioxidants found in ginger work synergistically with turmeric to combat oxidative stress, which is linked to skin aging and various chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. The high antioxidant content in turmeric, in particular, enhances this effect, making these shots a powerful ally for those looking to promote a clearer, more radiant complexion from the inside out. Chronic inflammation has emerged as a significant factor in numerous health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Regular consumption of ginger and turmeric shots can help mitigate inflammation, providing a natural and effective means of promoting overall wellness. By incorporating these potent roots into your diet, you can help lower chronic inflammation levels, thereby enhancing your health and potentially reducing the risk of developing serious conditions associated with inflammation. Moreover, the immune-boosting properties of ginger and turmeric cannot be overstated. The antioxidants present in both roots play a crucial role in bolstering the immune system and protecting the body from oxidative stress. Starting your day with a ginger-turmeric beverage can serve as a proactive measure to enhance your immune defenses, making your body more resilient against infections and illnesses that are prevalent during flu season. Heart health is another vital aspect that benefits from the inclusion of ginger and turmeric in your diet. Research supports the notion that these roots can help maintain cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. A meta-analysis published in 2019 in Phytotherapy Research indicated that ginger has a significant role in reducing blood pressure, while a separate review in Pharmacological Research highlighted turmeric's potential to achieve similar results over an extended period. Furthermore, a 2019 meta-analysis in Chemico-Biological Interactions confirmed that both ginger and turmeric could contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, thus promoting a healthier heart. In conclusion, ginger and turmeric shots represent a simple yet powerful addition to any health-conscious individual's daily routine, especially during the flu season. With their extensive range of benefits including illness reduction, joint pain relief, skin clarification, inflammation reduction, immune system enhancement, and heart health improvement, these potent roots are invaluable for overall well-being. As more people turn to natural solutions for health maintenance, incorporating ginger and turmeric into your diet is a delicious and effective strategy to promote resilience against seasonal illnesses and foster long-term health. Embrace the power of these remarkable roots and take a proactive step towards enhancing your health this flu season.